health benefits of garlic with source. Benefits. Garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. Garlic can combat sickness, including the common cold. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic may help you live longer. Athletic performance might be improved with garlic supplements. Garlic may improve bone health. Garlic may improve bone health review. Description: 1000 milligrams equivalent. Traditionally used for circulatory function. Heart health. Herbal supplement. Odorless. Guaranteed quality. Laboratory tested. Garlic has been traditionally used to support circulatory health. Suggested use. For adults, take 1 softball 4 times daily, preferably with meals. Warnings. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking any medication, planning any medical or surgical procedure or have any medical condition, consult your doctor before use. Discontinue use and consult your doctor if any adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Store at room temperature. Do not use if seal under cap is broken or missing. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.